Hi, welcome my friend. Black+Decker portable dryer, small, 4 modes, load volume 8.8 pounds, white color. Clean, dry clothes are no longer a luxury for larger homes and buildings. This B&D portable dryer, 23.6 inches by 17.1 inch by 27.5 inches is ideal for smaller spaces, whether it's an apartment, dorm, or RV camper. This mini dryer, 48.4 pounds, comes with a dryer vent hose that is 4 inches in diameter, as well as an exhaust connector, lint and exhaust filters. Enjoy drying up to 8.8 pounds of laundry per load with an inside stainless steel capacity of 22.65 cubic feet. This outstanding clothes dryer runs on 1,400 watts and 120 volts for use with standard outlets. Choose your drying mode, whether air dry, cool, warm, and hot. Drying times vary between 30 to 200 minutes. The drying times will be extended over traditional full-size dryers due to the fact that this unit uses 120 volts versus 220 volts full-size machine. Fill halfway for fluffy, freshy, dried clothing. Safety is our top priority with this portable dryer with overheat protection and sensor dry, enabling dryer to measure moisture levels and dry accordingly. Eco mode saves energy by beginning the drying cycle with cool air and changing to hot air settings. Adjustable leveling legs, front-loading transparent lid, and compatibility with variety of other B&D washers. ISTA 6A packaging ensures quality delivery. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.